Two motorcycle drivers survived with non-life-threatening injuries after an 86-year-old driver turned in front of them at 8:45 p.m. on Saturday evening. This from the Minnesota State Patrol. A black Ford Focus was westbound here on County Road 16, driven by 86-year-old Shirley Ann Smith of Marble, Minnesota, and she turned left in front of the motorcycle. Driven by 53-year-old Michael Wayne Stevenson of Onemia, Minnesota, and his passenger, Rebecca Ruth Horahan, age 43, unknown which city. Both the motorcycle riders suffered non-life-threatening injuries. Alcohol was not a factor for anyone in the crash. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.